On January 16, 2012, Sally Kurtz was involved in a motor vehicle accident with Leonard Shipe. On the date of the accident, Sally was insured by Allstate. Sally immediately reported the accident to Allstate. Allstate unsuccessfully attempted to negotiate a settlement of plaintiff's claims with attorney Kreider. Plaintiffs filed a complaint which was served on Sally on January 15, 2014. Pursuant to the terms of Sally's car insurance policy with Allstate, Allstate hired the law firm of Cassius and Brutus to represent Sally in the legal claim. Jonathan Brutus is the specific attorney who will be representing Sally. Upon receiving the case from Allstate, Brutus contacted Kreider and requested an extension of time for serving an answer after the 20-day deadline required by the rules of civil procedure. Kreider graciously granted the extension, and Brutus now has until March 2, 2014 to serve an answer. Brutus interviewed Sally last week, and she provided some details regarding the accident. She said that she was stopped at the intersection of Southeast 7th Street and Southeast 3rd Avenue. She looked both ways and saw no oncoming traffic. She pulled out from the stop sign and crashed into the other car. Just prior to the collision, Sally saw the other car, which appeared to be speeding. It appears that Sally may have been at fault, for she surely should have seen an oncoming car. However, additional investigation will be needed to determine fault. As such, the possibility remains that the driver of the other car was responsible for the accident in whole or in part. The answer to the complaint will therefore need a defense involving contributory negligence. Your assignment is to prepare an answer to the complaint, attach a certificate of service, and prepare a cover letter to be sent to Mr. Kreider. All this must be done before 11:55 p.m. on March 2, 2014. A cover letter is a letter written on firm letterhead which is sent to someone with an enclosure. The letter is usually fairly simple and basically says that a document or documents are included with the letter. The letter is used as a record for a law firm's files to show that the document or documents were in fact sent. Certificates of service are usually handled one of two ways. Number one, the certificate is attached to the pleading or other document, and together they are filed as a single document. Or two, the certificate with the appropriate caption is filed as a separate document. For purposes of this assignment, your instructor would like the certificate to be attached. As such, follow the appropriate example given. Your instructor is preparing some multimedia presentations, which will address a variety of topics that have been covered in the past few weeks. Please check the multimedia folder for Session 6 frequently for updates. In the meantime, please contact the instructor if you are having any problems with the assignment.